Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Marek from IT Box. Today I've got another very happy intervention. This time the computer, which is Lenovo in this case, simply refused to work anymore. Didn't want to start up, and the client was very worried about the data which was stored in that machine. He didn't have a backup for a long time, let's say last 3 months, running business, very risky situation for him, and he was very worried that his data was lost. No backups, no online, no external, nothing. So this I said successfully. I opened the laptop, I checked the devices, I extracted the internal hard drive, put in a external enclosure, plug into another computer, and ta-da! Data is there. Client very happy. I'm also very pleased. Losing data, especially when you're running the business, is absolutely nightmare. Nightmare situation. Not only the stress related to the fact that you cannot work. In this case, he cannot simply prepare the invoices, but also the fact that the company which doing the hard drive data recovery, they charge very big money for that. For that money, you can easily buy a new laptop, for example, a new computer. So please, remember to do the backup. Backup of the data is more important than the computer itself. Bye.